hold up, I am on my way. I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean. Yeah, let's go outside.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and I want to shout out all my new subscribers. We have had so many subscribers join the family, and I really do appreciate every single one of you guys. Thank you for choosing to be a part of my family. You're welcome, and please leave me a comment letting me know that you're new, and I will say a special thank you to you for being here. Now, my name is Lydia, and I enjoy doing all things cleaning and decorating my space. If this is something that interests you and you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing and joining our family, because we do love our cleaning videos, our organizing videos, and I would love for you to be a part of our family. Now, today I'm going to be decorating majority of the spaces in my home for Christmas. I wanted to share with you what I did in specific areas so that you can see how I go about it. I did not want the spaces to be too crowded. I wanted to have the feeling of Christmas here and there around the house. So my decorations are on the minimalistic side, but they're very catchy and very interesting to look at. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and let's get to decorating.
It will always be Christmas in my heart, but this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sanctuary. Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. Here we go. All right. Now this Christmas, we're gonna dance. We're gonna dance. Come on. We're gonna dance, dance, have a good time, dance, all night long. We're gonna dance, dance, and have a good time. I think Santa's gonna come and join us in this song. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling, or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart, but this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sanctuary. Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart.
Come on in, come on up, come on over for the merriest time of year. Come on up, come on in, get together for a good time. Smile, my dear. Come on in, come on up, come on over. We'll be dancing round the tree. So let us have a swinging Christmas, just like 1, 2, 3. We know the time is short. We blink and then it's gone. So we better make the most of what we've got. So take your neighbor by the hand and join the dance parade before the clock strikes and it's all too late. Come on over, it's the friendliest time of year. Come on up, come on in, nothing better to give the gift of cheer. So come on in, come on up, come on over. We'll be singing all them songs. So let us have a swinging Christmas, just like 1, 2, 3. Ba 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 da ba 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 da ba da ba ba da. Ba 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 da ba ba. Yeah, ba 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 ba. Come on in, get together. Come on in, nothing better. So let us have a swinging Christmas, just like 1, 2, 3. So let us have a swinging Christmas, just like 1, 2, 3. Oh, how I wish for the Christmases of old, where the snow would fall and the air was crisp and cold, where we heard of angels up on high while building Frosty the Snowman until late.
Hey guys, so these are the items I'm going to use to decorate my credenza up here. So I took everything out and I'm starting on a clean slate, and I think I'm going to put those balls on here, and then I'm going to use this flowers and this picks in this vase, and I'm going to use those two reindeers up here, this flower, and those two decorative pieces. I'll use this to center my space. So let's see how this turns out.
And someone to hold close. Give me some ribbons and a chimney for Santa's sake. No, it's not too late. No, it's not too late. How I wish for the Christmases of old, where the snow would fall and the air was crisp and cold. Oh, how I wish for the Christmases of old, when all was right and the candlelight would glow, where we used to play in a wintry wonderland, and we'd hear carols sung from Rudolph's marching band.
I only have two of the greenery that has like cranberries on it, and then I have three of these. So I'm just going to try and put them in and see how they come together.
Merry Christmas, baby. Reindeer's coming out to play. Santa Claus is packing the presents, making sure you've been behaving okay. Merry Christmas, honey. Yeah. The snowman's dusting off his hat, putting on the show for everybody, to give them a smile that lasts another year.
So last, I'm going to use this tray and this Christmas bulb. I got this tray from Ross last year, and I had this ornament from at home. I got them last year too, so I could put ribbons on them, but I think I'm just going to use them as they are on my credenza up here.
Merry Christmas, baby. The snow is laying 2 feet deep. Now wish upon a falling star, so all your secret dreams can come true. There's something that happens when sleigh bells are ringing, when December is, when the children are singing, yeah. It's Merry Christmas, baby. Ooh, yeah. There's room at the table for big and for small. All the fire is popping, the chestnuts are cracking, yeah. Merry Christmas, baby. There's something that happens when something that happens when December ends, when December ends, yeah, yeah. Oh, it's Merry Christmas, baby. Merry Christmas, baby. It's Merry Christmas, Merry Christmas. It's Merry Christmas, baby. Yeah. It's Merry Christmas, baby.
It's December again, I can't believe it. Whatever happened to the rest of the year? It went by so fast, I barely did see it. Now I'm calling all angels high. December rain, they play my favorite song. I see a snowflake melt on the deck. I'm awful cold and longing for the holiday, counting days until you're here. I've been waiting this whole year. Dear Christmas, Christmas, Christmas night, I know you may suffer light, but together we're alright. You know we're ready for Christmas. Can't wait to head back home. When the sleigh bells call, I hit the road. Baby, let it snow. We're ready for Christmas. Why you so far yet close? I think I hear them call. So baby, let it snow. Deck the house, that's when the snow starts falling. I pick all the presents up for you, decorate the fireplace for two. I keep waiting all night, wish upon a star.